Oh wow. Wow. I'm amazed. Nice to meet you. I'm a big fan. I may not be fluent in Tagalog, but I'm fluent in the cuisine, you know? My tongue is fluent in eating. Of course. When my mom cooks it. Say now. So I was like, okay, I cannot use the fork. Yeah, I would have told my mom. Yeah. You know how many train stops is this? 24.
What?
Yeah, from where I stay is 24 train stops.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get bored of killing me.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
There's the captain.
Say hi. So it's currently 5:53 p.m. And can you hear the noise? Yeah, sana hindi siya mag-rain. So, see, super init. Hulas na kami.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Yes, we're just walking. At tapos lang namin sa Merlion. Yung content namin, same lang. Yeah. Different angles lang. Sa akin left to right. Okay, bye. We're gonna meet our... Oh shit! It's starting to rain! Where? Lawa yun! Hey guys, this is our first day in Malaysia. And we're here
Adventure equals
sa Petaling Street. So
take
let's
pictures.
cross kasi we took pictures na. Tingnan nyo, ginaya nila yung ginagawa namin doon. Biglang dumami sila sa pinipicturean namin. Wow! Guys, ano kami magpipicture here? Guys,
Lang umitita pang thumbnail.
guys, yung walk ko, ganun. Oo nga, we need to eat. We're gonna try this mochi. Here.
Oh, it's called
Mochi.
Machi.
Different flavor.
Machi.
Peanut.
Shit, sana hindi yung...
Guys, iba-iba kasing flavor siya. I think this is mango.
Pwede na yung akin.
Parang mango siya.
Larger siguro.
Akin origin. Wala pang ako. Ano weird. May vlog pa sa here, oh.
Pwede lang ako.
Lanzones.
Lansones. Longgan.
Lanzones yan.
Ilan gusto mo? Longgan yan.
Lanzones na yan. Cheers. Arte lang talaga. So guys, ito yung nilakad naming lorong. So, ito yun. Yan siya. Diba? Ano masasabi mo? Sabi ko, init. Init. Tingnan niyo naman. Lahat sila pipicture dito. Paano kami? Walang kami ng mga pics. So, ang daming cars. So, paano? Hindi kayo pwedeng mawala dito ngayon. So hot. Eating here. Ito na yung food namin. As you can see, this is the pandan toast, kaya toast. At saka tingnan niyo to. So cute.
Isang pirasong sa
And watermelon kasi sobrang init. Now let's eat. Tingnan natin kung malamig yung water. Okay siya. Mga 6/10. May mas ilalamig pa siya. Okay, we're gonna try the toast first. Or the chicken first. Cheers. Masarap siya. Ang cute nga eh. What? Dinamihan mo pa. 7/10. So this is the pandan. Guys, this is our brunch. Wow, that's so sweet. Naisip ko ba? Metal yung straw. Wala lang. Nalilinis ko. Go to Chowkit. Ito yung pang-top nila. Hindi sila card. May card sila pero may token din sila.
drive.
Yeah! Yung in-drive namin kanina, 12. Tapos ito, 3, dalawa na kami. Pauwi na kaming car. So, ayun. Tapos na yung class namin.
beautiful station.
Anong oras na ba? Walang pala yun.
This is Masjid. This is Masjid.
We're waiting for our train.
Ay, namang River of Life.
At na pala yun. Tayo pa tayo, meron. I love it here. Ano bang meron sa mga bansang to at pinapahike kami lagi?
Ano ba nila ng vocalator?
Uy, tinan mo. Walang cow.
Parang,
Kulang na lang cow.
nag-outreach siya, ano, sa mga elementary school.
Guys, so we're here na sa Real Chowkit. Kanina hindi ko alam kung anong Chowkit yun, but we're here. And the Petronas Towers is there. So we're gonna try the base. Gusto ko na matamis na yun. Cheers! Yummer! I love it. I'm gonna give it a 10 over 10.
Roman ka? Pero ako na dati favorite crime.
Bagan sa'yo yung favorite crime.
Reason?
Ako ito talaga. Meron pa yung mga bilog-bilog. Sarap po siya. Popping boba.
Kasi paluin natin.
Meron siyang biscuits, meron siyang popping boba, meron siyang boba on the side, and jelly on the side, and condensed milk. It's worth 24 ringgit.
Worth it naman.
Pwede na. Okay, so we're gonna take more pictures. medyo nahihirapan na siya kung paano siya gagawa ng TikTok here. Ako kasi wala akong TikTok. Diba? We're going na to Pavilion Mall. Here na guys. This is Pavilion Square? So, what's Pavilion Mall?
So, the mall
Isn't it the same? It's the same din naman sa taas, Pavilion. What's the Pavilion? What are we gonna do here? We're just gonna find, I don't know, Chaji? Or Ralph's Coffee maybe? Bye! See you in the Philippines! Yo, yo! Guys, we're gonna try the Ralph's Coffee matcha latte. Pag ito hindi masarap. Charot.
edit mo na lang yung brown sugar.
Uy, wait lang.
Okay, based on your reaction, parang hindi masarap.
Sarap na hindi lang siya worth the price.
Mission failed successfully. It's mid.
So this is our dinner for tonight.
It's 11:11 and kakain pa.
Kakauwi lang namin and kakain pa lang. This is our third day. We're gonna eat this today. Bukas na yung sarap. Okay lang. This is soy milk. Ayun oh, oh my god, so guys, we're here na sa Batu Cave and there's a lot of monkeys. So, pag kayo nakuha, hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Pero andyan lang sila sa paligid. May bayad. Nag-aaway yung mga unggoy. Paano tayo aakyat? Lahat sila nandito. Ang baho, amoy oat. So guys, di na kami pumasok. So you have to take off your shoes. The monkeys, hindi namin alam anong ginagawa nila. May playground pa sila. Playground. The heck? There's a lot of monkeys.
Kasi nga, dito, choose your battle. Birds or monkeys? Yes, I'd
Tinan
say
mo,
birds.
naiputan. Okay lang, swerte naman daw pag naiiputan. Uy! Wait, parang masyado silang friendly sa tao, hindi ako friendly sa kanila. Oh my God. Hindi tayo para dito. We're here, Batu Caves, Malaysia. Here you go.
Guys, yung content?
Habang hindi na maaraw ulit, let's go back to the way it was. Yes, I think we're gonna go up that stairs. Oh! So are we really going to climb that stairs? I think just half. Oh, we're not allowed to go up.
Okay, we're not allowed to go.
Okay lang, salamat. All yung suot namin.
Sad?
Really?
Sad?
Oo, hindi kami makakyat. Yan, gusto ko umakyat eh. Ah. Ay! Baka kunin niyo yung camera ko. Yes. Kailangan natin mag-picture dyan. Kahit na anong mangyari, kailangan natin mag-picture dun. Okay lang, kaya natin mag-picture.
Ay, naligaw mo ano?
Uy, ba't may manok? Kaninong tatay yung naglagay ng manok dyan? Pag ikaw tinalunan, anong gagawin? So Guys, we're done na. Here's about to take caves! Guys, we're here at Siray. It's our only property. That's it. Thank you. So, this is mi goreng, nasi lemak, and the chicken satay, and watermelon, and lychee, some serai something. Okay, guys. This is the chicken satay. Sauce. Hindi ako kumakain ng ganyang onions.
Parang kakahiwa lang nilagay na dyan.
Cheers. Crap. Okay, next is this one, the mi goreng. Oh, there's calamansi. So, uso din pala sa kanila yung calamansi. 1, 2, 3. Spicy for you. Sabi na eh. Pero masarap siya. I like it. I like spice. So, this is the nasi lemak. Here, you're gonna try it. Nag-try na pala siya. Ay, sarap yung flavor. Buttery siya. Lasok sa may pandan. Or siguro, niluto nila sa coconut milk. Pero maharap sila actually. Done with lunch. Now we're going to the Saloma Bridge to take shots with Petronas Tower. Sobrang init. Hindi namin kaya yan. Okay na, may shots naman tayo kahapon sa Chowkit. Grabe yung init. Just going somewhere else na lang. Bibili na lang kami ng pasalubong. Guys, we had Central Market. After like 2 hours.
Tayo ng bus.
Grabe. Grabe yung init.
Malapitan
ng kung ano-anong entities. We're gonna buy Milo. Pero feeling ko masarap pa rin yun sa SG. Lolo yung nagluto eh. Milo ice water. Milo is the key. Wala kaming kape or nag-matcha ba tayo? Once lang no? Yeah, wala kaming kakape-kape here. As in Milo lang talaga. The key to survive the heat
Hello
is
everyday. Kibit na energy lang. Ang dami sinabi. Bayan na choco. Nakaalala sa akin. Sino ka man?
alam ko na kung sino. Guys, bumibili kami ng mga pasalubong right now. Ano?
Ocho.
Here! Finding the famous
Buti nag-stop yung train. Wala namin din na.
seafood.
Wings.
No, itawag eh.
Roasted.
Roasted chicken. Tapos sabi pa nung matanda, small, very small daw, 1 person. 1 person ba to?
Maybe the whiskey one.
Oh, I love the air! I don't know.
Wait, yes. Oh.
Hey, hey guys. I don't know. Is this Changkat? We're in the airport now. 4:37. Boarding namin ay 4:20. So we're waiting for our order. And welcome to Manila na naman. May pasok pa bukas. So yung gagawin namin sa office matulog. This is our food. Tran. Spicy crispy chicken rice and iced Milo.
Energy lang.
Legit. Dahil maanghang yung chicken niya, tatry natin. Ay, ang in. Ang
Pinigay ko lang.
Maanghang. Sarap. Ito din pala. Matabang yung Milo nila. Going home.
Recording complete.
Ayun na nga. Okay. Okay. Okay.